Everything you've been told about detoxing your body is wrong. And one of the most talked about remedies online, castor oil before bed, may not be doing what you think it is. Some people swear it drains toxins overnight. Others call it nonsense. So what actually happens to your lymphatic system when you apply castor oil before bed? Before we dive in, subscribe for science-based health tips that actually work. Tonight, we're uncovering what really happens inside your body when you use castor oil at night. We'll talk about how the lymphatic system actually works, whether castor oil can truly boost drainage, what science says about inflammation and circulation, and the one mistake people make that cancels out any potential benefit. And stay with me, because the final truth about overnight detox might surprise you. Let me ask you something. Have you ever woken up feeling puffy, swollen fingers, heavy legs, bloated belly? Many people assume this means toxins are stuck, but what's really happening is often sluggish fluid movement, and that's where your lymphatic system comes in. Your lymphatic system is like your body's drainage and immune highway. Unlike your heart, which pumps blood automatically, your lymph system has no central pump. It relies on muscle movement, breathing, and gentle pressure to circulate lymph fluid. This fluid carries waste, immune cells, proteins, and excess fluid away from tissues. When it slows down, you may notice swelling, fatigue, or a feeling of heaviness. Now here's where castor oil enters the conversation. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory properties. When applied to the skin, especially with gentle warmth, it may increase local circulation. Increased circulation can encourage mild movement of lymphatic fluid in that specific area. But here's the key. It does not magically flush toxins out overnight. What it may do is support relaxation of tissues and improve local blood and lymph flow, particularly if applied with a pack and left on while you rest. Let's break this down into what really happens. First, the skin absorbs small amounts of castor oil's active compounds. Studies show ricinoleic acid interacts with receptors involved in inflammation regulation. That means it may calm irritated tissues, and when inflammation decreases, lymph flow can improve because swollen tissues no longer compress tiny lymph vessels. So the first real effect, reduced local inflammation, not a full body detox. Second, when you apply castor oil before bed, you're usually lying down and relaxed. Deep breathing increases at night, and deep breathing is one of the most powerful drivers of lymph movement. Your diaphragm acts like a pump. So is it the oil alone, or the relaxation plus gentle pressure plus warmth? It's likely a combination. Third, gentle abdominal application may stimulate superficial lymphatic vessels just under the skin. But here's what many people misunderstand. Lymph nodes are deep structures. No topical oil can directly drain them like squeezing a sponge. Now, let's talk about a mistake many people make. They apply castor oil but continue living a sedentary lifestyle. Remember, lymph moves with muscle contraction. If you're sitting all day, your lymph system slows. No oil can replace walking, stretching, or deep breathing. You might be doing this right now, relying on a topical solution without moving your body, and that's limiting your results. Here's something else important. At night, your body shifts into repair mode. During sleep, your glymphatic system, which is related to lymphatic function in the brain, becomes more active. This system clears metabolic waste from brain tissue. Good sleep enhances this natural detox pathway far more than any oil ever could. So if applying castor oil relaxes you and improves sleep quality, that indirect benefit may actually be more powerful than the oil itself. Let's quickly recap. Castor oil may reduce local inflammation. It may slightly improve superficial circulation. It may enhance relaxation, which supports natural lymph movement. but it does not pull toxins through the skin, it does not cleanse your liver overnight, and it does not replace movement, hydration, or sleep. And now for the biggest mythbuster. The most powerful way to improve lymphatic drainage before bed isn't castor oil. It's 5 minutes of slow, diaphragmatic breathing. Deep belly breathing creates pressure changes inside your abdomen that literally pump lymph fluid upward toward the chest. Studies show this significantly improves lymph return. If you want to enhance the effects of castor oil, pair it with deep breathing and light stretching before sleep. That combination supports the system the way it was biologically designed to work. So what really happens to your lymphatic system when you use castor oil at night? It may feel soothing, it may reduce mild inflammation, it may gently support local circulation, but the true detox power comes from movement, breathing, and restorative sleep. Now, I'd love to know, have you tried castor oil packs before bed? Did you notice swelling reduction, better sleep, or no change at all? Comment below. I read every response. And if you want a full nighttime routine that naturally supports lymphatic flow after 50, like this video and subscribe. I may release that complete guide next week.